guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 trading brokers for 2024. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, by all means ask. And if you guys want any of these brokers, we'll put links to them down below. So pick the one you like, sign up, and start making that money. Now, for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Carter, and I'm a full-time swing trader in the stock market. And we do have a course where we talk about my strategies, my mindset, how I find stocks and opportunity, how I've done it 6 years full-time every single day. So make sure you guys check it out. You guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. But guys, let's dive into this. Let's go. All right, so the reason I wanted to make this video is because trading brokers are one of the more important things you need to get started with your process of trading. There is so many brokers out there, and honestly, these 3 brokers are the brokers that I highly recommend. Starting off with broker number 1 is moomoo. I know, this is what a lot of people know me for because I use this one every single day. This is where I keep my trades. This is where I trade. Now, for those of you that don't know what moomoo is a trading broker that offers advanced charting, advanced indicators, advanced screening, and they offer something called an AI monitor that monitors stocks in your portfolio and in the stock market so you can find opportunity. Another great thing that moomoo offers is something called paper trading, so you can start practicing with simulated money. This is by far one of the more important things to get started with trading, is to start paper trading so you can start practicing a strategy, and then once you have a solid strategy, then you can start using real money and then start making money. Now, with anything, there is going to be drawbacks, but honestly, I definitely think the pros far outweigh the cons with moomoo. One of the cons with moomoo is there's no fraction shares. For me, with a larger account, this isn't that big of a deal. And I know starting out with a small amount of money, maybe you want to start with a broker that offers fraction shares. Another con that moomoo has, which honestly isn't that big of a deal, is it only offers a standard broker's account. There's no IRA accounts or retirement accounts, but for me, that's completely fine because I withdraw my money. Now, another con that moomoo has is it only has a standard broker's account. Now, some brokers offer IRAs, but at least for me, that I'm a full-time trader, so I withdraw money quite often from my trading account. I don't want to get hit with any penalties, but I know maybe if you're looking to keep your standard broker's account and your retirement account all with one broker, then maybe go somewhere else. But honestly, moomoo is absolutely fantastic, and I would highly recommend them. I'll put them down below so you guys can check them out. All right, now broker number 2 that I highly recommend is TD Ameritrade's thinkorswim platform. Now, the reason why I love this is it does offer a great charting, a great scanning. It offers a variety of tools and things to pretty much help you as a trader, as well as it does offer the same paper trading so you can start practicing and start working on that strategy. Now, there is some cons that the TD Ameritrade's thinkorswim platform does have. The first one is the same as moomoo. There's no fraction shares, which honestly, as you grow an account, you'll realize that you really don't need fraction shares to make money. This is only beneficial for people with smaller accounts. Like if you have $50 or $100, then you'll pretty much need fraction shares, because if that's just say the stock's $200 and you only have $50, you can miss out on opportunity. Now, another con with both the TD Ameritrade and moomoo that I wanted to talk about is there is going to be a learning curve to learn the platform. This is an advanced trading broker, so it may seem a little overwhelming or a little more confusing, but honestly, if you spend a week or a couple of days just learning and practicing with your broker, you'll learn the platform very fast. But just starting out, if you're coming from like Robinhood, it may seem a little overwhelming. But don't worry, we have full tutorials down below, so check them out. Now, the third and final broker that I do want to talk about is gonna be Webull. Webull does offer pretty much a lot of the same things. They offer paper trading, advanced charting, advanced scanning, but one of the main benefits that Webull does have over TD Ameritrade and moomoo is going to be that fraction shares, so you can start trading with about $5 or $1 in your account. There's no account minimum, but offering fraction shares is a great way to start that process of trading in the market. Now, Webull is definitely more of a beginner style broker in my opinion. It's kind of like a combination between Robinhood and moomoo, so there's a lot of very basic things in there, and it's not going to be as overwhelming as like moomoo. Now, there is some cons in my opinion. The first con is it has very limited live chat support and poor phone support. When you try to get a hold of them, honestly, it could take hours, it could take days, and the live support is subpar compared to the other brokers we talked about. But honestly, if I just started out with trading, what would I do? Well, it's really simple. What I would recommend doing is finding a broker, one that meets your style of trading. So for me, I use moomoo. I've been using moomoo for a long time, so I'm very confident in the platform. I would paper trade for at least 6 months to a year to work on a strategy that works well for me. Now, after I trade, what I would do is actually open up like a Robinhood account. And I know that sounds crazy, but what I would do is use my broker with moomoo for all of my charting. I would use it for my charting, my scanning, and finding opportunity. Then I would have the most basic broker you could find that doesn't have any penalties or any commission, like Robinhood, and I would just buy one share of a stock. So if that's just say you're trading a stock and it has $5, I would only put $5 into that position, or I would just use fraction shares and keep it under $100. I would slowly start putting real money into my trades, because the last thing you want to do is start paper trading and start trading with real money and then start losing on both. So paper trade first, then start small with a very small broker. As you work on it and develop that strategy, you always can transfer your funds to another broker. That's what I would recommend doing. It's very simple, but guys, these are the best trading brokers that I would highly recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to sign up with any of them, check them out down below, but we'll see you guys later. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.